Monarchy has always been a part of Europe since dawn of time. Europe has seen rise and fall of many empires. As of 2020, there are 12 sovereign monarchies in Europe. Seven other kingdoms, namely Denmark, Norway, Sweden, the United Kingdom, Spain, Netherlands, and Belgium. Andorra, Liechtenstein, Monaco are the principalities, while Luxembourg is a Grand Duchy. The Vatican City is a theocratic state ruled by the Pope. Welcome to TTS, and today we talk about the 10 richest royal families of Europe. Stay tuned and watch till the end. Number 10. King Philippe and the royal family of Belgium. Estimated net worth 13 to 15 million US. According to the official website of Monarchy of Belgium, the Belgian royal family in 2018 received around 14.6 million US from the public money. Around 12.9 million US are used for King Philippe's official king duties, like staff attending to the king, maintenance and overhead costs of the royal palace in Brussels, and the king's official residence, Castle of Laeken. Other costs include maintenance of the cars of the royal family, utility bills, and official tours of the family are paid from this amount. Number 9. King Felipe VI and the royal family of Spain. Estimated net worth 20 million US. In 2018, the royal family of Spain received around 8.8 million US from Spain's budget, according to the monarchy's official website. This cost covers the expenses and lifestyle costs of the royal family. The Spanish royal family resides in the Royal Palace of Madrid and has 7 more royal palaces and 5 royal county residences across Spain. Number 8. King Harald V and the royal family of Norway. Estimated net worth 30 million US. The monarchy received a funding of about $48.7 million, which is equivalent to 433.9 million Norwegian crowns in 2019. King Harald V and family does not pay any taxes on his wealth, and it is said that the whole Norwegian monarchy cost the state a whopping $72 million. The 7 members of the royal family are considered full-time royals. The official functions of the king take place in the Royal Palace of Oslo, which is also the king's residence. Number 7. Queen Margrethe II and the royal family of Denmark. Estimated net worth 40 million US. According to the annual report, Danish civil list granted 12.2 million US to the Queen in 2018. This cost covers the royal palace's maintenance and operations, Queen's international visits, and private expenses as well. The Danish royal family resides in Amalienborg. Queen Margrethe II, who is reigning since 1972, is also the head of the Church of Denmark and Commander-in-Chief of Danish Defense. The Danish royal family, in spite of their heritage, live a normal life, as Crown Prince Frederik and his wife Crown Prince Mary's children attend state schools, and other adults can be seen cycling around the city and shopping. Number 6. King Carl XVI Gustaf and the Swedish royal family. Estimated net worth 70 million US. Crown Prince Carl XVI Gustaf became the king at the age of 27. His official motto is "For Sweden with the Times." The king's wife Silvia is the first Swedish queen who had a professional career, and that is how they both met at Olympic Games, where she was the chief hostess. The royal family resides in the Drottningholm Palace and owns a summer house in Baltics. Number 5. King Willem-Alexander and the royal family of Netherlands. Estimated net worth 200 to 300 million US. Queen Beatrix abdicated the throne in 2013 to pave the way for her son, Prince Willem-Alexander, who is now the King of Netherlands. The former queen is still an eminent figure in the Dutch royalty. In 2020, The Dutch monarchy received 49.2 million US dollars according to their website. The king resides in Huis ten Bosch Palace, meaning house in the woods, with his wife Queen Maxima and the 3 daughters. The king has many investments in real estate and a stake in Shell Oil, which adds to his personal fortune. Number 4. Queen Elizabeth II and the British royal family. Net worth 500 to 600 million US dollars. Queen Elizabeth has reigned over UK more than any other British monarch in the history. She is also the longest reigning monarch in the whole world. The wealth of the British royal family, which is one of the richest and largest in Europe, is made up of investments, property and art. In 2018 and 19, the royal family and the Queen's activities funded through the sovereign grant made up to about 103 million US dollars. This money also included the renovation cost of the Buckingham Palace. The large royal family, firm as it is known as in the UK, faced some exits. The Queen's second son, Prince Andrew, after some controversies, stepped down from the official duties. Another shocking news arrived when Prince Harry and Princess Meghan, the Duke and the Duchess of Sussex, announced their exit from the royal family. Number 3. Prince Albert II and the royal family of Monaco. Estimated net worth $1 billion US dollars. Prince Albert II, his wife Princess Charlene, and his 2 sisters Princess Caroline and Princess Stephanie work as full-time royals. According to the official budget of Monaco Principality, the royal family received $54.4 million this year. The amount covers Palace of Monaco's maintenance cost and other administrative charges, and also about $14.6 million are received by the prince. The prince's palace is guarded by trained French military men. Prince Albert II has shares in Monte Carlo Resort, an expensive stamp collection, and he owns about a fourth of Monaco's land. Number 2. Grand Duke Henry and the royal family of Luxembourg. Estimated net worth $4 billion US dollars. 4 members of the Grand Ducal family of Luxembourg work as full-time royals and have been receiving $324,851 each year since 1948. The Grand Ducal Palace, which is the residence of the royal family, belongs exclusively to the crown. Number 1. Prince Hans Adam II and the royal family of Liechtenstein. Estimated net worth $5 billion US dollars. The only monarchy in whole Europe that does not get any money from the country's taxpayers is the Principality of Liechtenstein. Then you must be wondering that how are they the richest royals in Europe? The $5 billion net worth of the princely house of Liechtenstein is because of their privately owned bank LGT Group, and also because of the investments made in the name of Prince of Liechtenstein Foundation, which looks after forest and winery assets and also real estate. The prince has an active involvement in the politics, unlike other European monarchs. Please share and like the video, and do not forget to subscribe to the channel. If you have any suggestions, then let us know in the comment section below. Or do you have any topic in mind that you think we should make a video on? Just write them in the comment section and we will soon make it happen. Until then, spread love. Bye bye.